XRP holder, first of all, many congratulations to XRP. Price will increase now in last 24 hours, as you can see here, 3.16%. So I think this is very good news for all of you, my friends. To all crypto market is comfortable, all currencies will starting pumping and moving in upward direction. So definitely XRP is also, my friends, take a very huge pump. And they remember my brothers, first of all, remember, so this is temporary jump. Yeah, some holders are understand this, so this is permanent jump, but remember, this is temporary jump. I know everybody know this too. After a short time they will again face down, so therefore please try to understand too, if they were face down, so you will need to be active, especially for short term investor, my brother. Absolutely, my friend, I am going to predicate this coin and I will give you some very special updates. So therefore this is very important for you to watch now. And but please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Every channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. My brother, XRP price is increasing. You can see here 3.16% in last 24 hours. And some holders tell me today will give us, my friends, a very good profit. We will need to sell it. So I think you will wrong, my brother. Absolutely, if you are a short-term investor, and you will need, my friends, to be active every time. But remember, my brothers, to if in 24 hours they will give you 3% profit, and if you starting selling, then I don't know, my friends, to upcoming time it is also possible, my friends, this is permanent jump. So definitely after permanent jump they will never fail down. So therefore you will need to, if you again buy an XRP, you will need, my friends, to give some more phase now. So absolutely the price is very high, so therefore I think you will be very badly lost now. So therefore try to understand, holder, to this is not a selling time. Absolutely you will need now, my friends, to wait for the end of month. At the end the price is jump very high, and after that very badly falls down. So therefore I tell you, my friends, to XRP is very good coin. Just and only, my friend, invest now in those days. I hope, my friends, to they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. So hope you understand, XRP holders, kindly do this what I tell you. I hope, my friends, to you will earn a lot of money and you will never lost. And absolutely, if you follow my advices, remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.